I am Nachesa Joy, working as Program Coordinator, Kamuli District Association of Women with Disabilities. Kamuli is a rural place. It is about 100 kilometers from Kamuli to Kampala. Okay, as a Program Coordinator, Kamuli District Association of Women with Disabilities, our work has been to move to sub-counties and sensitize women with disabilities to form groups. And after they have formed their groups, we organize trainings, and we normally carry out advocacy and lobbying. We need to involve these women together with the local leaders and even with the service providers, how best can they help them. And sometimes also we organize workshops and sensitize them about the rights of persons with disabilities. Because if we don't sensitize them, they may stay at their homes and don't even demand for what they're entitled to, and you also go and monitor. By that time, women with disabilities were taken as charity. As disabled women, they were being marginalized by the community, discriminated. They were not recognized as people. Few women were married, and their life was not good. They were in bad conditions. They had bad shelter. Their children were not going to school. These women, some were almost starving because they were depending on family members and even some community members who could give a hand, bring food to them, even fetch water. So the situation was alarming.
I think it's very difficult for a Dane to imagine how life is for a disabled woman in Uganda. It's difficult for me, even that I live here. It's difficult for educated Ugandan women. But the isolation of these women is extreme. They are surrounded by pity, by negative expectations, and they just have to sit and wait for the mercy of somebody to give them food, to give them something. And to really imagine what that does to yourself, we fail to get it really, because we are used to have food and security every day, and we start from a wrong point of departure. So we are trying to start where these women are, and that's what the project was designed to do. Yeah.
We had to start by, first of all, explaining to the women to understand the need for them to come together, to work as a group, because that's the only way their voices can be heard. Then, of course, after that, we now went further to do capacity building for the leadership in terms of training them on how to manage the group. After they had acquired how they can manage themselves, holding regular meetings, drawing plans, then we said now we can introduce to them the importance of having an income-generating activity. And the aim of doing that is to make the group sustainable, or to make them continue even when we are not there.